This is a crypto update emergency video as Ethereum and Bitcoin are bouncing significantly. And not only have we bounced, but we've broken some pretty strong resistance levels from yesterday's crash. And that's very important as that key resistance was about 1511 on the Binance chart. And then taking a look at Bitcoin here, these resistance were about 20,153 and in addition 20,373, which currently Bitcoin is trading around 20,200, and we did hit a high of 20,420 today, which is very good. Ethereum is far outperforming Bitcoin by over 100%, meaning that Ethereum is performing about 8% in the last 24 hours or from 8 p.m. Eastern time. And we have Bitcoin up 3.5%, just about 3.5%. So we're seeing an outperformance, a very clear outperformance by Ethereum, which is one of my favorite coins to trade. Honestly, hands down, as it outperforms the entire crypto market, hands down, very consistently. So this is why Ethereum is one of the best traded coins and why I pretty much only trade Ethereum. Taking a look at the Bitcoin dominance, this thing is continuing to crash. Also, the reason why we did get a bounce was because the DXY was able to finally top out this morning, just a couple of hours ago, but it's looking like it's recharging, going to attempt again to see if it's going to break out and break this high here, which we can likely see a pretty strong dip from cryptocurrencies if this does happen. I am expecting, after such a massive run with the DXY, some type of correction or stronger pullback than what we have witnessed today, which is going to be very likely. It's not very likely that something can just literally just keep pumping crazy amounts without any breaks. No matter how bullish a thing is, there's always going to be corrections or pullbacks, which the DXY is likely to experience to a bigger degree. The pattern for the DXY is honestly very bullish and very strong, as this is a cup and handle pattern. In addition, we're just seeing a small little handle which shows very strong momentum in the DXY. And the DXY is going to be continually strong until the Fed can calm down their monetary policy. So very, very interesting. The slowing of inflation will crash the DXY, and that's what's needed and very important, and which will most likely be realized when the new CPI comes out around the first part of the month of September. So there's that. Ethereum right now actually is forming a very bullish pattern, which Bitcoin should be forming just the same as well. And we can take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course, but what we can see is this downwards trending resistance level, and we can also take some previous supports in this downtrend here. And what we are seeing is obviously a falling wedge pattern for Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's very, very respected in Ethereum, as we see each and every one of these bottoms lines up perfectly, and the resistance levels are completely supported inside of this pattern. This is a bullish pattern which has a very high probability of breaking out to the upside. Generally, we will see these in bullish corrections. After a very strong bull run or big movement to the upside, we will see these falling wedge patterns as healthy corrections and end up resulting in a play that will take us to the top of the pattern, which is going to be over $2,000 for Ethereum, which from our current position will be about a 31 to 32% move from our current position. So we're going to have to see if this pattern ends up playing out, but because of how strong the bearish trend that we are currently in, I will not be surprised if Ethereum comes close to this resistance level over the next couple of days, gets rejected, and has a pullback potentially inside of this pattern where we continue at least close into the apex, which would put us close to the merge. So around the 5th of September, we will be getting very close to the apex if we have not already broken out in a bullish manner. And I do believe that we will get a bullish breakout. And it's very possible that Ethereum, by the merge, if all things look bullish, the CPI comes out bullish, showing inflation is slowing, that Ethereum could potentially come back up to this $2,000 region in the next couple of weeks. I am also expecting some type of a heavy correction, crash, or dump for the altcoin market around the time of the Ethereum merge, right before, after, or during. So we're going to keep those possibilities on the table, but also understand one of the biggest upgrades for Ethereum, EIP 1559, which took place last year, ended up allowing cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum, to pump before, during, and after. There was no significant crash after that major upgrade for Ethereum. So something very interesting to take note of, but it really depends on the overall environment, whether it's bullish or bearish or neutral, or very volatile with a bullish overtone. So these types of things can affect how cryptocurrencies will play out, especially Ethereum, with the coming merge or any event that's anticipated. So we're just going to keep watching this pattern here. We're going to be hoping, with fingers crossed, if you are a bull, for the breakout of this downwards trending resistance level, which is likely, in my opinion, after a significant crash, a huge crash here for Ethereum and most altcoins and cryptocurrencies, including traditional markets, which I believe will be bought up by traders and investors quite easily. Let me know if you think that that is going to be likely or unlikely in the comments below. If you want to get access to the most profitable trailers on the internet for cryptocurrencies, I highly suggest joining Tier 3 in the Patreon. The link is in my video description. Also, I have a $5,000 deposit bonus that you can access by using my link on Bybit. And if you want to learn how to make 1-2% every single day trading cryptocurrencies, I have a course and mentoring program to get you to that level. Now, if you got something out of this video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe with notifications on, smash the like button, and let me know your thoughts about this video in the comments below. Thank you so much, and I will see you all later.